How to fix no notification sound in Realme C53 or C55. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then click on do not disturb. Now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and click on notifications and then scroll down and here you can enable your notifications. Suppose if you turn off your this app notification, then turn it on. After turn on your notification, then go back to your main page of your settings and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.